this honey garlic chicken. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start off by chopping our chicken breasts. So I'll see you guys after it's fully chopped. Sorry, my bad. But you guys have to kind of cut them in big pieces like this. I'll see you guys when all of it is cut. Okay, so as you can see, all the chicken is chopped in these cube-like pieces. Now, let's start on our sauce. Okay, so for the sauce, we're gonna start off with some soy sauce. It's pretty obvious. Since we're making honey garlic chicken, we're gonna add tons and tons of garlic. Over here, I have added 6 to 7 crushed cloves of garlic. And they go. To that, we're gonna add honey. The garlic and honey just like balance so well together. It's gonna be a very good dish. Alright, now I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, so now I'm done mixing the sauce. Now let's get to cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna add a bit of oil and wait for that to simmer on medium heat. I'll see you guys when it's hot. Chicken is in the pan. Now we're gonna increase the heat to medium and just let it cook. My chicken is fully flipped. Now we're gonna add some of that honey garlic sauce that we made earlier. Just like that. Now we're just gonna let it simmer for some time. With your heat on medium. So I've actually decided to make this kind of like a gravy kind of feel. So let's get started on that. But before, just turn off your stove and put your chicken to the side. Okay, guys, to make your slurry, in this bowl I have added about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Now we're just gonna give it a mix. My slurry is all done. Now let's get started on our chicken. So get your chicken and put it on medium heat. Into that, we're gonna add our slurry that we just made with cornstarch and water. Get all of that cornstarch in there. And now we just mix. And we wait until this turns into a beautiful, beautiful gravy. So our chicken is beautifully done. Now let's get on the plating. Alrighty guys, so it's done. Honey garlic chicken is done. Now just garnish it with some green onions and you're good to go. Trust me, everybody in your family will like this dish. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye!